Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to add friend on the Snapchat web. If you can really add friends on the Snapchat web or not, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. So many people are searching about it, how they can add people on the Snapchat by using the web version. So I have go through the all the settings from the Snapchat web, and here you can see there is no option to add anyone. The only way you can add people from the mobile device, and you can chat from here. Other ways that you can download any emulator which is basically supports you to use the Android on your laptop, and through that you can also add the people on your Snapchat. So this is the only way to add people from the laptop. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.